Here is Gloria showing off her new presents. Who are they from?
They're from Aunt Laura.
And what do you have?
Well, I got a lot of other charms. I got two.
What's your favorite thing?
I like the earrings.
Yeah.
I think they're very pretty, and I'm glad Aunt Laura got them, so I don't have to get my ears pierced because they just clip on.
They look so beautiful.
That's why that's the most exciting thing.
Okay. And did you look to see if there's anything else left?
Oh yes, I think there is. Let me see. Oh yes, there is. Wait, what's this?
Oh, is that pretty? It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty one.
Yeah. Is that everything?
Mm-hmm. I don't think so. Wait, no. It's a card.
Okay. It says, with cheerful thoughts, hi sweetie, I just thought you might be needing some jewelry. I love you so much, and I miss you so much. Love you, Aunt Laura. Kiss, hug, kiss, hug.
Aww.
What do you say?
Thank you, Aunt Laura.